Hello cyclists, this is Rick. Today is Monday, May the 6th, 2024. Started the bike ride at 1 minute after 11. I was hoping to get started before 11, but didn't make it. I'm riding my Cervelo Caledonia bike today. Weather, 81 degrees, humidity is 81%, dew point 74.3 degrees. It's mostly cloudy. Wind is out of the south-southeast, 10 miles an hour. Gusts at 18 miles an hour. Rain chances are below 50% today. After last week's flooding and rain, I need to make up for not riding Thursday and Friday, and then only a short ride on Saturday, and then no ride yesterday because it rained some more. I'm behind on my goal. I should be at 150 miles after today. I'm only at 50 miles, so I'm gonna have to ride some longer rides to catch up, which I'm going to do today. I'm going to ride a route I haven't done in almost a year. It's May 15th of 2023. It's actually a lengthened ride of one of the routes I did last week. I'm going to go north, make my way through Kingwood Villages, make a loop through Brooklyn Trails, then over to US 59 up to Texas 99, then back over US 59 through Valley Ranch 1314 to FM 1314, and then I'm going to go northwest to McQueen Road. Last time I did this, it was 43 miles, so this will be a good start. I'm going to have to do a bunch of 43 mile or 40 plus mile routes. Today's route should keep me away from the areas that flooded. Should avoid all those. I'll be close, but not that close. Another short section of Greenbelt Trail to make my way through Kingwood Villages. This trail is right between Elm Grove Village to my right and Sherwood Trails Village to my left. This morning I watched stage 3 of Giro d'Italia. That was one of the reasons, or the reason why I didn't start till 1 minute after 11. Last 7 kilometers were a little different. It was a little different than what everybody expected. As I was riding on the street in Elm Grove Village, and I don't remember the name of it. I don't ride on it a whole lot, but every once in a while I saw these 2 dogs go from the street to the up a sidewalk, front porch. I didn't think too much of them, but then not too long after that, one of the dogs appeared chasing me on the right side of my back wheel, yipping, barking. Fortunately, I was able to keep ahead of him. When I made the turn onto Cascade Creek, he stopped chasing. I guess I left his territory. Or whatever he was guarding. Riding east between US 59 and Loop 494 on the Texas 99 frontage road. When I get to Loop 494, I'll go underneath the overpass and then back west on the frontage road back to US 59. 13.5 miles, and it's 2 minutes after 12. I hear sirens, but I don't. Oh, there it goes. Constable, Montgomery County Precinct 4 Constable. Comes another one. Rode over US 59. Turned left onto the southbound frontage road, and then turned right. I'm riding in or through whatever, Valley Ranch. 15.1 miles. 10 minutes after 12. I'll stay on this street until I get to the stop sign, which is Valley Ranch Bend Drive, and I'll turn left. Looks like the wind is still out of the southeast, south-southeast. Turning left. I'm riding in the Suncliff area of Valley Ranch, making my way to Forest Colony. I'll turn right up at this approaching street. Silver Run Lane. Then I'll turn left on Stillwater Canyon Lane. Riding west on Olympic Forest Drive in Forest Colony. I'll turn left up ahead on Lomax Drive. I believe all of a sudden I'm starting to doubt myself, but yeah, I think it's Lomax. Lomax Drive. That'll take me into the Azalea district of Valley Ranch. Oh, Lexor Drive. 16.8 miles, 17 minutes after 12. Riding west on Azalea Boulevard, you can see the wind from the two flags sticking out pretty straight. I'm going to turn left up the Valley Ranch Parkway. That's some nice yellow lantana, knockout roses. Riding northwest on FM 1314. I'll stay on FM 1314 till I get to McQueen Road, which is, I think it's about 3 miles northwest of Gene Campbell Road intersection. Right now I'm at 18.0 miles, 24 minutes after 12. I'll say a tailwind. Helping me get there. We'll see how, when I make the U-turn at McQueen Road, we'll see how that wind tries to get at me on the way back to Old Sorters Road. I have a few dark clouds, but they've been moving around. So far, no rain where I'm at. Traffic light up ahead of Sorters Road. I'll cross through there. Approaching the Gene Campbell Porter Lane intersection. I'm going to continue straight on FM 1314. 22.9 miles. Just kicked over to 23.0 miles. 41 minutes after 12. Had a nice tailwind so far. See the banner over there by the Porter Mills marquee fluttering. Not real hard though. Old Houston Road intersection. About 100 yards before I got to the intersection, there was a couple dogs. One small black one within a larger white and brown one. The black one didn't do much, but as I rode by, the big one jumped up. Looked like he was going to give chase, but I sped up and he stood still. 24.2 miles. 46 minutes after 12. Around the curve, a little ways beyond that, I should get to McQueen Road. I chose that as a turnaround point several years ago because there was road construction on FM 1314 west of McQueen Road. So I couldn't get much farther than McQueen Road. That construction's done, gone. Back at Old Houston Road, to my right, that area flooded during the rains last week. They may still have some high water, although it doesn't show up on the list of closed roads. Approaching McQueen Road, 25.3 miles, 50 minutes after 12. So this puts it 2.3 miles from Gene Campbell Boulevard intersection. That area is called Oak Tree. I'm going to go across FM 1314 and head back. I'm back to Old Houston Road. I don't see the two dogs over there. Guess they went behind the fence. .9 miles. Next intersection, big intersection, Gene Campbell Boulevard. Riding southwest on Cumberland Boulevard. I'll go down to one of the crossovers and then make a U-turn and head back to FM 1314. It's kind of a little break. Also adds on a 3 or 4/10 of a mile to the ride. 30.1 miles, and the time is 14 minutes after 1. I'm gonna take the U-turn. Couple cars going by. Back to FM 1314. We'll go past the Robert Crippen Elementary School on the right. An astronaut in Porter, Texas. I'm stopped at the Circle K at Sorters Road and FM 1314. I was fighting the headwind. My legs were falling behind, so I decided to stop and get a Powerade and take the opportunity to rest up before continuing on. I got about 12, 13 miles left. The ride. Old Sorters Road at FM 1314. 33.4 miles. Time is 49 minutes after 1. I'm going to turn right onto Old Sorters Road. Turning left onto Kingwood Place Drive. I'll stay on Kingwood Place Drive until I get to Kellington. And the traffic goes by. .5 miles. And 8 minutes after 2. The wind feels strong. When I checked the weather at the Circle K store at Sorters Road, the wind was 13 miles an hour with 22-mile-an-hour gusts in the southeast. That's the direction I've been riding in mostly. Back in Bear Branch Village, Kingwood. approaching Wildwood Ridge Drive, and I never can remember the name of this street. It is Park Royal Drive that I'm turning off of. I'm going to turn left onto Deerbrook Drive. This isn't the usual way I end this route, but I want to try to get some extra mileage, a mile or so. I just clicked over 44 miles. Trying to make up miles for my goal for the month. Every mile I get gets me closer. It's 40 minutes after 2. I'm going to be approaching or crossing over Sandy Fork Drive up ahead at the stop sign.